Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Identify the structure. The molecule shown has two carbonyl groups, an aldehyde, ChO, on the left end and a ketone carbonyl, C is equal to O, connected to a methyl group, CH3, on the right. This gives the chain, OHC, CH3, a 3-carbon compound. Moving on to the next step. Determine the parent chain. There are 3 carbons in total, C1, aldehyde carbon, C2, ketone carbonyl carbon, C3, methyl carbon. The parent chain is propan 1-ul, propanol, since the aldehyde gets the lowest locant, C1. Moving on to the next step. Identify substituents' functional groups. C2 bears a ketone, OXO, group. In IUPAC nomenclature, a keto group on the chain is indicated by the prefix OXO with its locant when the principal characteristic group, aldehyde, is already named as the suffix. And for the final step, construct the name. Parent chain is equal to propanol, 3 carbons, aldehyde as suffix. The OXO group is at position 2. Therefore, the name is 2-oxopropanol. Why this is correct? The aldehyde, ChO, is the principal characteristic group, higher seniority than ketone in IUPAC 2013 recommendations, so it is expressed as the suffix -ul. The ketone at C2 is expressed as the prefix OXO. Combined 2-oxopropanol. Therefore, the correct answer is 2-oxopropanol. The correct answer is shown on screen.